Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to automate A/B email testing using workflows inside HubSpot with the updated 2026 setup. So first, open your browser, go to hubspot.com, click log in and sign into your account. Once your dashboard loads, we're ready to build an automated workflow that tests two different email versions without you having to manually compare results. Start by opening the automation menu and choosing workflows. Click Create Workflow and select From Scratch, then choose a contact-based workflow. After that, set up your enrollment trigger. This determines who enters the A/B test, maybe people who submitted a form, joined a list, downloaded content, or triggered any engagement you're tracking. After saving your trigger, click the plus icon and choose Random Split. Set the split to 50-50. This allows HubSpot to send email version A to half your contacts and version B to the other half. Now build out each branch. On the left branch, add a send email action and choose your email A. On the right branch, add send email again and choose email B. Make sure these two emails differ by just one element, maybe the subject line, call to action, layout, or send time, so you can tell what truly made the difference. Next, add a wait action after both emails. Give your workflow a day or two to gather clicks, opens, or replies. Without a waiting period, the test won't have enough time to show meaningful results. If you want HubSpot to automatically choose the winning version, you can add a goal or an if-then branch after the wait step. For example, if email B gets more clicks, the workflow can automatically continue with email B's branch while email A stops. Once everything is mapped out, review your workflow, turn it on, and let it run. HubSpot will automatically send each version, measure performance, and help you identify which email performs better for your audience. And that's it. That's how to automate A/B email testing in HubSpot using workflows in the 2026 setup. It's a fast, smart way to improve your email strategy without guesswork. Thanks for watching.